Best regards. Their teacher Liliana Lozano and companions. Thanks for speaking. I am Adriana Arteaga. I am Colombian. I am from Pasto. I am a student. I have in Pasto. I speak Spanish. I'm 21 years old. I like music. I don't like ride the bicycle. I am a student of the administration. There are my activities on the typical day. I wake up at 8 a.m. and then take a quick shower. After the shower and get ready, I have breakfast fruit. And I then organize the house. I have lunch at 12. I take a break. I study from 1 in the afternoon to 6 p.m. I have dinner at 7 at night, watch TV. I return to study until 11 p.m. and then take a quick shower. I drink water. I go to sleep. Thanks for your attention.